Why automate your lights?
Automating your lights is a simple way to lower electricity bills and conserve energy. With smart devices, you can set schedules, control lights remotely, and avoid wasting power when lights are left on. This not only saves money, but also adds convenience and can improve home security. Let's explore step-by-step methods to get started with automated lighting for energy savings.
Choosing the right smart devices.
Start by selecting smart light bulbs, switches, or plugs compatible with your home. Many smart bulbs connect directly to Wi-Fi, while others work with hubs like Philips Hue or Google Home. Consider smart switches if you want to control existing lights, or smart plugs for lamps. Prioritize devices that offer energy monitoring features and support for automation routines.
Setting up schedules and timers.
Scheduling your lights ensures they turn on and off only when needed. Use your smart devices app to create routines, such as turning lights on at sunset and off at bedtime. Timers can also be customized for weekdays and weekends. These automatic schedules help prevent unnecessary energy use, especially in rooms that are often forgotten.
Harnessing motion sensors.
Motion sensors add another layer of automation by turning lights on only when someone is in the room. Attach sensors to hallways, bathrooms, and closets to ensure lights are never left on accidentally. When no movement is detected, lights automatically turn off after a set period, leading to consistent energy savings without any extra effort.
Remote control and voice commands.
Take advantage of remote controls and voice assistants to manage your lights from anywhere. Use smartphone apps or smart speakers to turn lights off when you forget. These features are especially useful for travelers or busy families, helping maintain control and further reduce electricity costs with just a simple command.
Monitoring and adjusting for maximum savings.
Regularly check your energy usage using the data offered by most smart lighting systems. Review reports to spot trends and make adjustments, such as dimming lights or refining schedules. Small tweaks over time can lead to significant reductions in energy consumption, ensuring your automation setup continues to deliver both savings and convenience.